Hey everyone, it's Hamad here. So in this live stream, as you guys can see in the title, is we are gonna learn how you can create automated webinars in just a few seconds. Basically, your whole lead generating machine. You're gonna get unlimited leads from it, and it's totally free. And in this video, just make sure you watch it through uh, and you make it to the end because everything is going to be pretty much explained and simplified, and it's a whole money making machine, nothing else. So let's just dive right in a few seconds. Let's wait for everyone to join in, and then we are going to start. Yes, we are going to start soon. Okay, so firstly, let me explain what exactly webinars are. Webinars can be of two types. You can have a pre-recorded webinar, which is basically a webinar video where you go ahead and explain, educate your customers, your leads, and basically just provide value to get them to book a meeting with you, to purchase something, to get their contact info, and just in general to get leads. So you provide knowledge, you provide education, and in general you get back their contact info. You get them to opt into your newsletter or any CTA that you have. So that's how webinars perform. And other than the pre-recorded webinars, we have live automated live webinars. So live webinars can be Zoom sessions, having a Zoom webinar, just anything that is on live, having a session with your leads, with your contacts, with your customers, and that's basically what webinars do. So we are going to be starting soon, and in this video and in this live stream, I'm going to show you how you can create automated webinars in just a few seconds. You don't need any developer, you don't need any designer, you don't need any email marketing guy, you don't need any of the knowledge to just create webinars or any manual time effort to basically put in. So starting off, we have the LeadMax CRM, and I'm going to show you how you can create webinars in just a few seconds with the LeadMax CRM. So these webinars, it's already done for you in the site section. If we go into webinars, we can see we have two webinars, which is one pre-recorded that I just explained, and then we have the live webinar, which is on Zoom. So pre-recorded is just you record a video that's pre-recorded, and then you have a webinar session for that with all of the nurtures and follow-ups. So you are not just getting a website, you are not just getting a funnel with the webinars on it. You're also going to be getting the automations, all of the nurture sequences, all of the follow-up campaigns, the form built out to capture the lead when somebody signs up to the webinar, and that lead is going to be inside your contacts tab in your LeadMax CRM. And apart from the automations, apart from the form, and apart from the webinar site itself, you're also going to be getting follow-up campaigns to basically follow up with that lead. So basically, let me show you how you can create webinars in just a few seconds. So with LeadMax CRM, all you would need to do is just go into settings in your account, go to custom values, go to folders, and here you have two of the webinars. One's pre-recorded, one's live automated. So let's just say if you want to build a webinar, that's a pre-recorded video that you have just recorded. So go into the pre-recorded tab, and all you would need to do over here is just fill in these custom values with all of your information. Let's just say webinar email. I have my email. Webinar logo, just put in the logo, which is already going to be in your media storage, the cloud free storage that you get inside LeadMax CRM. Then what's your webinar topic? Just click custom, edit custom value, and put in your webinar topic. Automated webinars quick tutorial or quick webinar, whatever, in 2025. Just put in any webinar topic you want, the topic of your webinar. Then then you have the description. Put in the description, the date and time. When do you want to have that webinar to go live? And apart from the date of time, you have the webinar bullet points. Bullet point 1, 2, 3. then webinar audience. So pretty much just what you need to do is just fill in these questions, fill in the data of your webinar topic, details, whatever, and that's it. Once you put in all of the information, that's it. You don't need to do anything else, no manual task. You have a pre-built webinar already done for you with all of the automations and all of the forms running. Once you put in these custom values, you don't need to design, you don't need to host, you don't need to have a WordPress or a developer, nothing like that. Everything is just done. So if we go to sites and we go to webinars and we see our pre-recorded automated webinar, preview it. And here, as you can see, we have the webinar topic, we have the webinar email, we have the form that's already done for you with the time, phone number to collect all of the data. And if we go back and we go to the broadcasting page, each and every step of the page, each and every webinar step, it's already done for you with all of the custom values that you just put in, even the videos. So if we share this tab, and you can see over here, I've put in just a random video in the webinar custom value. So here we have the webinar topic, the email integrated, the site, everything is just built for you. The whole site, the whole webinar. And even if we go back to, let me share my screen. If you go back to automations and click automated webinars, you have done for you follow-up campaigns and also reminder campaigns. So if we go into the follow-up campaigns, over here we have the trigger when the video is played inside your webinar, and then you can have 3 different nurtures. So one nurture is going to be if somebody watches the video greater than 75%. So that's a qualified lead. We have a different nurture for him. If somebody registers for the webinar and watches the video, but it's less than 75%, it comes into a different nurture. But if somebody registers for the webinar and doesn't watch the video, we have a third nurture for him. Like, hey, you missed the webinar. Here is the recording. Click here, click the link to the recording. You can watch the recording. The second email nurture, hey, you missed the have you watched the recording? Make sure you don't miss these points. And then email 3, we have the CTA. It can be booking a call with you, it can be selling your digital product, whatever your business tends to do with the CTA. It totally depends up to you. And for the qualified lead, that for the person that watches greater than 75%, we have a 14 days nurture, a 14 days follow-up campaign where we follow up with the lead and make sure that we get them hooked in to buy our services, our product, or the CTA that we want them to do. So this follow-up campaign, it's all pre-made, plug and play, just done for you. You don't need to change anything, even the content inside it, and also the timing. Like if you change the time in the custom values, you are gonna have the same. You're gonna have the same time as the webinar launches in the follow-up campaign, and along with the follow-up campaign, we have a reminder campaign. So in the reminder campaign, we basically remind our attendees that registered for the webinar to basically go ahead and show up at the day of the webinar. And even if they don't show up at the very end time, we have a recovery workflow too. So let's just say if they don't open the 10-minute reminder email, like, hey, your webinar is starting in 10 minutes, click here the link to join the webinar. And if they don't see the email, we have a automation set for that too. So if they see the email, they're not going to be getting another reminder email. But if they do not open or view the email, we send out another email for them as a reminder, like, hey, your webinar is live. You can go ahead and watch the webinar. And all of these campaigns, all of these automations are linked to each other, also along with the form. So the webinar registration form, the contacts coming into your CRM, the follow-ups, the nurtures, um, the webinar sites, custom values, everything is plug and play for you. Everything is just done for you. And honestly, it's a whole money making machine. So it just takes you a few seconds to get or to automate a webinar. Just create a webinar, record a video, put it out there, and then just copy the link of your webinar site and just share it across every platform you have. Share it across LinkedIn. You can create a LinkedIn event with a link to the broadcasting page or the registration page. Share it across your school community. Share it across your social media profiles, on your stories. And all of the leads that signs up to the webinar are going to be automatically inside your LeadMax CRM. Just imagine the number of contacts and the number of leads that you would be getting. And then the follow-up campaigns and the nurtures going along to hook them in, everything just automated. It's insane. There's nothing best thing out there that's totally for free, and you are getting unlimited leads out of it. And also the conversion rate is going to be insanely high. I don't think if there's any better way to get leads. You're paying for ads just to get a few leads every single day. And with this method, you are getting unlimited leads. And that too, with each and every having different nurtures. Like if somebody is a qualified lead, we have a different nurture for them. If somebody is less qualified, we have a different nurture for them. If somebody is even less qualified, they just registered and haven't watched the webinar, they haven't attended the webinar, we have a third different nurture for them, a different follow-up campaign for them. So everything is plug and play. If you really want to scale your business and if you really want to grow, this is the best money-making lead generating machine right now over here in 2025. There's no other better way that I see to get leads. And all of the leads that you are going to be getting that just submits the form are going to create a contact inside your LeadMax CRM. All of the contacts you have over here inside your LeadMax CRM contacts tab. So then what you can do is actually go ahead and then follow up with them later. Remind them later. Just sell them anything, add them to the newsletter, sell them anything later, because you now have a qualified lead inside your LeadMax CRM. And everything in this video that I just told you about, the automated webinars is just not everything that you get with the LeadMax CRM. It's just only one feature of the whole CRM that we have built. We have much more than that, many more automations for LinkedIn users specifically, and for people that want to grow their business and personal brand. This is the number one LinkedIn CRM out there. Everything is built out for you, plug and play. All the automations are linked with each other, like just right now that I showed you. All you would need to do just to create an automated webinar is fill up some custom values, and that's it. The website is going to be live, the form is going to be live, the automations are going to work on its own, leads are going to be coming in, they're going to be put into the contacts tab. The contacts tab leads are going to be then qualified over the amount of video that they watch. If there's 75% greater than 75, they're going to be put into a qualified nurture. If it's less than 75, put into a less qualified nurture. And then the follow-up emails are going to be going out to the leads, and then they have all of the CTAs to book a call, to book a meeting, and everything is going to be over here inside this one software. You can see which client booked a meeting. You can see the conversion rates in the dashboard. You can basically just go through the numbers, improve on the numbers, and have your whole business running in just under 24 hours. So this is your chance to go ahead, click the link in my bio, get your 14 days free trial to our LeadMax CRM, and get all of these amazing features for free. Just try it out for yourself. Take action. This is your chance right now. And the bonus offer, if everyone that's watching the live stream right now, if you go ahead and take action right now and claim your 14 days free trial, I'm going to be getting on an onboarding call with you to basically have it's not going to be just an ordinary onboarding call. I'm also going to be creating strategies for your business, how you can grow and scale your business more with our LeadMax CRM, and basically onboard your entire business onto the LeadMax CRM, which is valued at $500. But if you take action in the next 24 hours, I'm going to be on the call with you, onboarding your business for free. Personally, no employees, no one else. Me, Hamad, is going to be on call with you, onboard your whole business, and it's going to cost you nothing. It's a 14 days free trial. Try it for yourselves, see if it's a good fit for your business, and honestly, I'm super confident that yes, it is the best thing out there right now in the market. So that's my offer. Everyone that's watching the live stream is go ahead, claim your 14 days free trial and get all of these amazing features for free, and honestly just scale your business smartly. You don't need to do all of these manual tasks. You don't need to mm, spend your time on all of these manual efforts. It's 2025. Just it's an era of AI. It's an era of automations. So let us build these systems for you. And honestly, everything is just built out for you. Like I just showed you on the live stream. Everyone's that's watching, um, you just need to fill out the custom values, and everything's done for you. The automations, the forms, the webinar, the website, everything is just plug and play. So this was a quick stream showing you everyone to basically how can you automate webinars inside our LeadMax CRM. So let me know if you have any questions, and then we can move forward and end the stream. Okay, we have a question. Do we have the copy of it? Yes, we have the copy of all of the emails that we have in the nurtures, in the automations. Every email has a template built for you, so you can get an idea from it. If you want to use that specific template, you can go with it. But if not, if you want to do some changes according to your business, you're free to do so. Everything is customized. You're not just strictly stick to just one specific thing. Can we have more than one webinars? I have multiple webinars running in the background. Yeah, totally. So all you would need to do is just duplicate this webinar, and you can have thousands, you can have hundreds of thousands of webinar running at a single time. Just click here, click clone, go to custom values, clone the custom values, and clone the automation tab, clone the automations inside, and just link them together. Everything is going to be linked, and all you would then you need to do is just put in the custom values, and that's it. You have a webinar set. Is the hosting free inside the software? Yep. It's nothing like hosting or WordPress. With this LeadMax CRM, basically you are getting each and everything inside one single software. So we have everything that your business needs to grow, and each and everything is on here. The sites, it's hosted by our LeadMax CRM, so you don't need to worry about any extra cost for hostings, or no. Everything is packed together into one single offer, and that's $95 per month. And if you go ahead and try it out right now, like I said, you get a 14 days free trial, and you get to book a call with me for free to basically onboard you onto the LeadMax CRM. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining me today, and I hope you understood the point of having webinars and how powerful it is in the era of 2025, and how you can also scale your business with it. Can you please share the link to CRM? Yeah, I'll share the link with you guys right now. It's also the first link in my bio, but I'll share it with you for everyone that's watching. Here's the link for the LeadMax CRM. All right, everyone. So thank you everyone for joining today's live stream. We have a weekly Q&A session showing you different features and how you can grow your business on the LeadMax CRM. And it happens weekly, a Q&A session. We also have a Q&A session at the end and also a demo at the very first. So thank you everyone for joining the live stream, and I hope you understood how you can now create automated webinars in just a few seconds, and you get unlimited leads for free with our LeadMax CRM. And also, if you want to get the software, you can claim your 14 days free trial. No contracts, no charges, nothing. Just try it for yourself for free, and I hope to see you on there. And if you take action in the next 24 hours, you'll be getting a free onboarding call to book with me, and I'll onboard you personally. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.